In today's episode, we will learn how to talk at the store in English. Going to a store is part of daily life. We go to the store to buy food, clothes, and other things. Using simple English can help you feel confident when shopping. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. Entering the store. When you enter a store, you may hear, "Hello, can I help you?" You can answer, "I'm just looking." "Yes, I need some help. I'm looking for something." For example, "I'm just looking. Thank you." "I'm looking for a jacket." Part 2. Asking for items. If you cannot find something, you can ask, "Where can I find this? Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in my size?" For example, "Where can I find milk? Do you have this in a larger size?" Part 3. Talking about price. Price is important. You can say, "How much is this? How much does this cost? Is there a discount?" For example, "How much is this? Is there a discount today?" Part 4. Talking about size and color. When buying clothes, you talk about size and color. You can say, "Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in blue? Can I try this on?" For example, "Do you have this in black? Can I try this on, please?" Part 5. Trying something on. In clothing stores, you may try clothes. You can say, "Where is the fitting room? Can I try this on? It fits well." For example, "Where is the fitting room? It fits well." Or, "It's too big. It's too small." Part 6. Paying at the cashier. At the cashier, you pay. You can say, "I'd like to pay. Can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash?" For example, "I'd like to pay by card. Here is my card." Part 7. Asking about returns. Sometimes you need to return something. You can say, "Can I return this? What is the return policy? I have the receipt." For example, "Can I return this item? I have the receipt." Part 8. Talking about problems. Sometimes there are problems. You can say, "This is damaged. This is broken. There is a mistake." For example, "This item is damaged. There is a mistake on the bill." Part 9. Being polite. Politeness is important. You can say, "Please," "Thank you," "Excuse me." For example, "Excuse me, can you help me?" "Thank you very much." Part 10. Daily shopping examples. At a grocery store. "I'm looking for bread. How much is this?" At a clothing store. Do you have this in my size? Can I try this on? At a small shop. Can I pay by card? Part 11. Asking for help clearly. If you are learning English, you can say, I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that? For example, please speak slowly. Thank you. Part 12. Talking about shopping habits. You can also talk about shopping. You can say, I go shopping every week. I buy groceries on Sunday. I don't like crowded stores. For example, I go shopping on weekends. Part 13. Gentle encouragement. Shopping is part of daily life. You do not need perfect English. Simple sentences are enough. Most store workers will understand you. It's okay to say, can you help me? How much is this? Where can I find this? These sentences are simple and powerful. Now you know how to talk at the store in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them when you go shopping. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk on the phone in English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.